Any fool can make money in a bull market, but real traders make money in a bear market. And guess what?
Bear market is coming. It is. And I, for one, can't wait. I'm Steve Szyminski, and I've been trading over 30 years, and I have seen every kind of market. And I can tell you this, there is no better, faster way to make money if you know how. When there is a bear market and hundreds of billions of dollars are lost in mutual funds and 401ks, and everyone's crying in their Cheerios, and it can take years to get back just to where you were before the bear market. Wouldn't it be better to learn another way? Let me ask you this. When there is a bear market, where does all that money go? Hundreds of billions of dollars. Where does it go? It goes to a small number of people who know how to make money in a bear market. So, what I'm going to do for you, totally free webinar, no credit card, nothing like that, completely free webinar. I'm going to share with you my favorite ways to make money in a bear market. And I'm going to do this on February 7th. Now, I haven't done one of these webinars in years, so there's a fantastic opportunity for you to just come take a look, no obligation of any kind. Sign up on the registration link below, and I'll see you on February 7th. On behalf of Wealth Foundations Northwest, it's been my pleasure to be your coach today. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.